guys, it's Tree and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm starting this video off with my hair already parted in section for the butterfly distress locks, and I'm going to be moisturizing my scalp with sunflower mega care grapeseed oil as well as Isoplus black castor oil and coconut oil. The hair that I will be using today is the Freetress Waterwave in 22 inches, and I have 7 packs of those. I saved the last 2 sections to do on camera for you guys. So I took 1.5 pieces of hair, and what you do is you fluff them out real good. The more fluffed out the hair is, the better the lock will look, if you get what I'm saying. After you fluffed out the hair to your liking, you take your crochet needle and stick it through the base of your braid, and then you twist the hair to make it easier to insert it into the hook on the crochet and latch it through. After that, you pull it through just enough to get one side all the way out to begin wrapping. To start off my lock, I wrap tightly 3 to 4 times around the root of my hair for stability, so that way it wouldn't slip off. And then after that, after I secured with wrapping tightly, I proceeded to alternate between my thumb and pointer finger to create the butterfly effect into the lock. And I've noticed the messier you wrap the hair, the prettier the lock is, in my opinion. And I also did, some of my locks are more butterfly than others to give it personality, you know, just to, so it won't look so uniform. You'll see at the end. Just to go back and clarify how to create the butterfly effect, I would stick the tip of my nail in between some of the hair, not all of it, as I'm wrapping it around, and I pull my finger back. I hope it's making sense. I kind of slowed it down so you guys can see it, but you stick it through right there just a little bit, and then when you wrap and come back down, you pull out.
You made it.
Once I got to my desired length, I created a loop around the end of the lock and wrapped that 3 to 4 times as well tightly. And then I used my alligator clip to hold it in place because it's easier than trying to keep it in your hand. It makes the lock more, it seals it more at the end. Now you start to wrap the hair back upwards towards the beginning of the lock and rub it in between your hands to seal that part off. This is one of those type styles where the beauty of it is in the messiness. So you don't have to in no way be neat or take your time. You know, have fun with it. If the hair gets frizzy or tangled in the process of you wrapping it, that's okay. Keep going, because it's going to give the butterfly effect more definition. It's going to enhance it more, and like I said, give it more of a distressed look. This is the end of the video, so if you liked it and found it helpful, please like, comment, share, and subscribe, and also stay tuned for the final look. Bye guys.